Hello class 9th students, welcome once again in the session of online classroom. In our last lecture, I was telling you the use of determiners. Now we are going to study about the second part of determiners and that are known as article. You might have studied in your previous classes about the use of a, an and the. Today I am going to tell you each and everything one by one according to the use. Now see, articles. Articles belongs in two categories. The first one is indefinite article and the second one is definite article. We can put a and n in the category of indefinite article and the is used as definite article. So today we are going to study about the use of a and n. I am going to tell you each use clearly one by one. See first the use of a. Now the first rule, a is used before a singular countable noun that starts with a consonant and gives the sound of a consonant too. Means when there is a singular countable noun and if it gives the sound of a consonant from the very beginning. The first letter is consonant and giving the sound of consonant. We will have to apply a before it. For example, a book, a soldier, etc. Here book and soldiers are the words starting with consonant and having the same sound. Now see the second use of a. A is used before a singular countable noun that starts with a vowel but gives the sound of a consonant. You might have seen different type of words that starts with vowel, but some of them give the sound of a consonant. See the example, university. University is starting with the word u, but it is giving the sound of y. Here the second word European. It starts with E and A, E, I, O, U belongs in the category of plural. Vowel. But being started with a vowel, it is giving the sound of consonant Y. That's why we will have to apply A before them. Okay. Now see the third rule of A. A is used before an adjective that starts with consonant sound. You might have seen different type of adjective used in different type of sentences. But if the adjective starts with the sound of a consonant, we will have to apply a before it. For example, Priya is a beautiful girl. Now here beautiful is an adjective and it is gives the sound of a consonant B. See the second example, Rahul is a blank good boy. Here good is an adjective and it gives the sound of G. That's why we will have to apply a before it. Now see the next use of a. A is used after many when there is a singular noun after many which gives the sound of a consonant. Now you might have seen different type of sentences starting with many, having a blank after it, and after that there is a singular countable noun starting with consonant sound. If there is such condition, you will have to apply a there. So see the example, many blank book are available on this subject. So here book is a singular countable noun we will have to apply a before it. Now see the use of n. Number 1. N is used before a singular countable noun starting with vowel and giving the same sound. If there is a singular countable noun starting with vowel and giving the same sound of a vowel, we will have to apply a before it. See the example: elephant, an elephant; umbrella, an umbrella. Now see some more use of n. N is used before a singular countable noun starting with a consonant but giving the sound of a vowel. You might have seen different type of nouns that are starting with a vowel, but some of them gives the sound of a consonant. For example, NR, HOUR, it is starting with a consonant but giving the sound of a. An honorable person, honorable is also starting with H, giving the sound of a. That's why we will have to apply n before them. Now see the next use of a. Next use of n. N is used before an adjective that starts with the sound of a vowel. Now, adjective that starts with the sound of a vowel, we will have to apply n before it. See the example: Ravi is a blank intelligent boy. Here intelligent is an adjective starting with the sound of vowel. So we will have to apply n here. In the second one, you are honest man. Here honest is an adjective giving the sound of a vowel. That's why we will have to apply n here. Now see the last rule of n. N is used after many when there is a singular noun after many giving the sound of a vowel. Like a. If there is a singular noun giving the sound of a vowel after many, we will have to apply n there. For example, many an accident occur nowadays. Okay, I think you might have got the use of a and n. In our next lesson, we shall study about the use of the. Okay, thank you.